Glenn Doman Method 65-Day Math Program, Day 51.
By this stage, your child has learned quantities from 1 to 100 and seen 360 equations consisting of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now you can choose to show more complicated math equations and different mathematical operations.
Complex equations. 6 into 2 plus 2 into 12 equals 36. 5 into 8 minus 4 into 6 equals 16. 2 into 4 plus 6 minus 2 equals 12.
8 plus 10 minus 4 into 3 equals 6.
20 minus 4 into 2 minus 5 equals 7.
9 minus 4 plus 3 into 8 equals 29.
5 into 5 into 4 minus 6 equals 94. 7 plus 6 into 4 into 2 equals 55. 12 plus 2 into 5 minus 5 equals 17.